Hey everyone, Shay here, and I am back today with a different kind of video. And it's not a tutorial, but if you have a Q-Redew, I would definitely suggest that you keep watching this video. I'm gonna just drop some gems and some knowledge about this machine right here. So first off, if you are not familiar with the Q-Redew, it's a handheld hair steamer, and it's really nifty because it's a way you can, just re-moisturize your hair without having to go through the whole process of wetting your hair again. So first off, a little backstory. So I bought this, I want to say a year or so ago, and when I first bought it, I was really excited about it. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna keep using it, re-moisturize my hair, do it a few times a week. And the instructions say not to use tap water. I didn't follow the instructions. I used tap water in this reservoir right here. So to continue with this backstory, I was using tap water in this little reservoir right here, and you're not supposed to use tap water. And I did some research. I'm just like, what's the big deal? We drink tap water. Sometimes, I might pour the water in here from the Brita, but most times I would just go and use the tap water. The reason that the instructions tell you not to use tap water is because of the minerals in tap water that causes mineral buildup in the reservoir. So one day I went to go steam my hair. I came in from work. I had my mind set on, steaming, and I think I retwisted my hair to do this bomb twist out. I put the tap water in the reservoir, pressing the button. This is the same thing that's happening. No steam is coming out, as if the reservoir was empty. I sent these people a letter. I was ready to turn up, but I found out that the reason why it wasn't working is because of the mineral buildup from using tap water. And there's a really easy solution to fixing this problem. All you will need is some white vinegar, not apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, and you can get it from the corner store, the grocery. I think I got this at my grocery. It was probably $1.89, I want to say, or 89 cents. But I know 89 sticking in my head for a reason, so it was one of those prices. And some bottled water. Do not go using no tap water, because this is what got us into the same predicament in the first place. That tap water with all that mineral buildup. So that's all you. And this is also optional. A little measuring cup so that you don't get the water and vinegar all over yourself when you're using it. So let's jump right into what we're gonna do. You're gonna take out the reservoir, the empty reservoir, and get your white vinegar, and I'm just gonna pour some of this into that measuring cup I showed you earlier. And you don't have to pour a lot. I kind of just eyeball it to have a good ratio between the vinegar and the bottled water. Oh, try not to spill. And that's a really strong scent. If you know vinegar, as soon as you open it, you smell the vinegar. Put some water into this bad boy here, and then I am just going to open up the reservoir and pour the water and vinegar, white vinegar mix I have, into the reservoir. I didn't lift this above my head because I'm real clumsy, and I feel like I would have spilled this all over myself. I feel like I would have. So now that this is full with the water and vinegar, you can shake it up for good measure, but I'm sure it mix. And I'm gonna put that in there, and my Q-Redew is plugged in. So once you know it's plugged in and ready to go, this red light is gonna start blinking. So now I'm just gonna hold down the button to activate the steam. What? Oh, shoot. Look at that. Can you see the steam? And don't go using this water and vinegar mixing in your hair. It's kind of strong. So it's coming out like really well right now. But when I had first done this mix, I had to use it about 3 times just to kind of unclog the Q-Redew. So I would suggest to do 2 reservoirs full of the white vinegar and water mix, and just let the entire thing run. Like, just hold your hand down on this steamer and let it run. Get all that steam. Just so that you fully unclog the entire thing. You know, because you don't want to be in the middle of using the Q-Redew and it stops working on you. So this is an easy fix to a very common problem, because I've been on Instagram and stuff and I've seen a few videos where women have bought the Q-Redew and they've used it for a few times, and then they're like, wait, I'm filling this reservoir up with water and it's not working. And you don't want to be like how I was, and you kind of jump the gun and you think that, you know, the product is not good. That could be an issue, but I would definitely suggest that you try this first to see, you know, if this is a problem and if it's something that can be fixable. From now on, I know I'm going to use bottled water when I'm using my Q-Redew, because you don't want to constantly clog up the machine and then over time it just stops working on you. You know, if you spend your money, you want to get as much use out of the product as possible. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful. And remember, don't go cussing them people out and stuff before trying this solution. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for everyone who has been supporting me, and I will see you in my next video.